We're going to make an eggplant salad. We're also going to make a spicy tuna salad with lentils, and we're going to make a good old-fashioned egg salad. We're going to start with the eggplant salad. This is such a great appetizer. You got to start by roasting the eggplant. You want them to look like flat tires. So put your oven way high, so 450, 500 even. Poke a few holes in the top of the eggplant to let the steam escape. Throw it in the oven and forget about it for about a half an hour. Half an hour to 40 minutes, depending on the size of the eggplant. Let them cool till you can handle them. Split them, take their guts out, put all the guts and the juice into your food processor. And just pulse it up a few times. We're gonna mix in a little acid, a little wine vinegar, red or white, whatever you have in your pantry. And I love lemon, fresh lemon. Zap in that. Scrape this in here. And now we're going to add a little garlic, a fat turn of the bowl of good olive oil, EVOO, salt and pepper, of course. I'm going to use my bench scrape to throw in half of a red onion and some sweet pepper, roasted or sweet bell pepper, finely chopped. And then I'm going to chop up a ton of flat leaf parsley, very grassy, very traditional in eggplant salads. And then when you go to serve this, toast up a few slivered or sliced almonds to sprinkle up on top. It adds crunch. And that's basically the roadmap of salad number one. We got 2 more salads coming at you. Up next, I think we're going to do the tuna salad. Because my kettle's up to a boil, I'm going to use that to thin out some tomato paste in our dressing. And the lentils have been cooking for about 30 minutes, so they should be just perfect. Come on back and we'll make the tuna salad next. Okay, salad number 2 is a spicy, kind of Middle Eastern spiced salad that combines both tuna, so it's very high in protein, and lentils. I took a couple of tablespoons, a couple of squirts of tomato paste or sun-dried tomato paste, and add a little bit of garlic, a clove or 2 of garlic. I added a little hot water, like literally put your kettle on, put a splash of hot water in there to cook out the tomato paste, just to thin it a little bit, right? Squirt in, about a tablespoon or so of harissa or sriracha. And then we're gonna add cumin and coriander, they're like best friends. A little salt and pepper, the juice of a lemon, good olive oil. Give this a whisk. You can use beluga or big lentils, little pui lentils, little green or brown lentils are fine. You're gonna cook up about a half a cup of lentils till they're tender in salted water. Drain them, put them down into the bowl, and then you're gonna add 2 cans of pole-caught sustainable tuna, which you're gonna break up with a fork. And then to the lentils and tuna, we're going to add green and white onion. I chopped up some onion, some celery, a little Persian or seedless cucumber, and traditional in Middle Eastern cooking, a little bit of chopped hard-boiled egg. Okay. The egg salad is the one I'm most excited about. The egg salad, we're gonna start not with mayo. This is actually chickpea mayonnaise. So to this, I'm gonna add a little Dijon mustard, a little squirt of Dijon. And here's the trick to this egg salad, a little bit of prepared horseradish. So a little bit of nonpareil or tiny capers, lots of dill and parsley, chopped cornichon or pickle relish, shallots, green onions, celery with the leafy tops, and chopped hard-boiled eggs. I'm gonna add a squirt of lemon juice, mix this together, salt and pepper. Mix this all together, when we come back, we'll finally make our Blue Plate special. This is the eggplant salad. Roasted eggplant with the peppers and onions and garlic, topped with the slivered almonds. I served that with a little grilled naan bread. And that's our spicy Israeli tuna salad. And then we have our egg salad with the chopped up cornichon and the Dijon. Yes.